Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Mall Shop Creations. Today, I'm going to be showing you my latest updates on my 1950, I think this is 58 or 57 Plymouth Fury to a 1957 DeSoto Fireflite. So, without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright, so up first, I'm just going to show you the trees that I painted. I assembled the chassis. I forgot to take off that little copyright thing, but I made sure there's posable steering, exhaust system, suspension. That's all the silver things that I painted. We also got all the black trees. There's only two. Yeah, radiator, belt pulley system. And we have, oh, where did I put the engine? I know I have it somewhere. Well, I'll find it later. Oh, it's right here. But here's the engine. So I hand painted all the I don't know, details with silver paint, and I added these styrene, and I added this thing, and I put that on there. I don't know, I think it's pretty good looking so far. I'm gonna add more color to it, hopefully. Also, I don't think, I may have shown this in like a video a long time ago, but I added tail lights, more tail lights to the tail light part of the car, I guess. And because, or I did that because on the real car there's stacked tail lights like these, and these are actually just truck lights. I don't know what kit they're from, but I just found them in the truck's light bag. These bottom ones gonna be painted red too, so there's gonna be 3 in total, and they should look pretty slick with the rest of the car, I think. The rest, I'm gonna be using these for the front fenders, and this part here for the front of the car on the hood, and then probably the antenna and the windshield wipers. But look at it, came like this. It was molded without a chunk on the side, and that's partially why I built this project, or started this project, I should say. These things will not be used, probably just thrown in the parts bin. Next up we have the rear grill, or sorry, not rear grill, rear bumper. I'm gonna have to spray this again because you can still see there's pretty heavy scratches in there. And it kind of looks like crap, but I'll spray it, not heavy, but heavier, with some more chrome, make it look like chrome. Here's the grill that started this whole project. Oh man, my light is yellow right now, and I don't know how to change it, so it looks gold on the inside, but it's not, it's silver. Let's see, it still looks gold, eh? That's weird. But yeah, it's chrome. It just looks funny because the light there looks more chrome now. We also have, oh yeah, this is really cool. So I don't remember if I showed this in the last update, but I made these rims myself, and I don't mean like the whole thing. I mean, I think these are Jaguar XKE, or sorry, Jaguar E-type spoke, like the main part, and then this middle part here I got from, you know, AMT's 65 Dodge Coronet kit, the really crappy one, the snap tight kit. That's where I got those from, and I just trimmed down these side pieces here, make them more thin. But I blackwashed these, and I used the same white walls from the kit, and the same wheels too. So, I mean, they look pretty darn cool if you ask me. I'm really happy with how these turned out. Everything is turning up so orange on my camera because this stupid light. I mean, I could turn it off, but oh, I can't even turn it off. I think my light's broken. But yeah, I really am. I'm pleased with how these turned out. I hand painted people because I thought they were gonna fit in the interior, but they don't. So I just have hand painted people now. I mean, they're pretty cool. I'll use them for something else because obviously I can't use them for this one. But they were fun to paint. I got that from a 58. I don't remember the kit. Oh, I don't know which one, but it came with them, and I stole them. I got the interior all built up and detailed up and stuff, and chromed. Oh, excuse me. But I did 3-tone, black, gray, and white. As you can see, there's lots of silver on there. And I don't know if you can see that. Oh, wait, yeah, I can take this off. See my handy dandiness? But I put the gauge decals on there. They look really sweet. Man, this orange light sucks. Hold on, let me unplug it. Is that too dark now? Hopefully not. But you can see the gauge is kind of, yeah. Anyways, I like the way that looks. And it snaps right back in because I made it like that. Bam. And the main part, we have these 4 colors. And there are 2 that do not fit, obviously. Okay, so I should have not unplugged the light because, darn it. Hold on, let me pause this if I can. Okay, so I mean, I kind of got it set up a little bit. I have a light on the side. Anyways, so there's these 4 colors. This one and this one were not used, so it was this middle one, and I think it was this one that we ended up choosing. Coral Reef. And we went to the store, and they had this like really expensive camera, so they took a picture of the paint, and then they can like drop it into their computer program and find this exact color, or a close GM color, because obviously no model kit brand sells Tamiya Coral Reef. Oh man, that looks horrible too. It looks so bright. Hold on, let me turn the thing down. But it's like a coral color. It looks less pink on camera, and it looks, oh my gosh. Oh, this sucks. Anyways, here's the doors. I did 2-tone, black and pink. Man, this sucks. Hold on. Man, what is going on? Hold on. It still looks too bright. Anyways, oh my god, this is bugging me. Okay, we're doing no lights. So, it's supposed to look more pink, but obviously the camera and my lighting sucks so bad. So, it looks really dull, but I promise you it's not this dull. I did the interior on that too, and the side part with magnets. I added magnets to it so that they'd close properly and stay there. Here's the hood. That's where that front chrome piece is gonna go. Man, that looks so bad. I just want to try one more thing, see if I can fix this. Okay, I turned all my lights off. looks a bit better. Oh, that looks a lot better. Anyways, so that's that. Here's the trunk. Haven't painted the bottom yet, but I will. And then here's the body. So a couple of the hinges fell off. Like this one, it broke off, so I had to glue it back on. Anyways, I'm really impressed. Oh, there's dust on it. I'm really impressed with how it turned out. And yeah, the two-tone looks sweet. I'm gonna do the chrome edges along here and stuff, but I polished this up quite a bit, so yeah, I don't know. I think it looks cool with the rims and stuff, or the tires. See if I can kind of set it up. Anyways, so that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This kit probably will be done soon, I think. So definitely stay tuned. I'd like to see what you guys think of it when it's all done. Oh yeah, I got custom decals ordered. Well, not ordered, but they're getting made to put on the fin of the car back here. It's supposed to say Fireflite, and then one to say Sportsman up here. So that'll be pretty cool. Anyways, I'll see you guys next one. Goodbye.